Getting paid to watch YouTube videos sound too good to be true. However, what if we tell you something like this is possible? And let us get straight to the point. This isn't any scam because if it were, we wouldn't be telling you about it in the first place. So many people are advertising and getting paid to watch YouTube videos. Once they take you through the entire process, they ask for a subscription fee for their business model, which messes up your whole mood. However, we will tell you that you can get paid around $500 if you watch YouTube videos the way we ask you to. There are no shortcuts around this, so you'll have to stick to the end of this video to know how to earn money the right way, just by watching YouTube videos. You make money from PayPal just by watching simple and short videos. Before we get right into it, you will get a lot of value if you watch this video till the end, so do consider subscribing to the channel. You can also turn on notifications for our channel. So if a new money-making strategy shows up, we can notify you as soon as possible. Why YouTube videos? Generally, we feel that we spend way too much time watching YouTube videos without gaining anything apart from knowledge. But since you're spending so much time lying around and watching videos, why not earn some money off it? We're here to tell you about this method, where you will get to make money on YouTube just by watching videos. Starting this method is super easy because you do it on your PC or smartphone. It is a brand new website that also has an app. It is why we mentioned a smartphone a few moments ago. Whichever device you find convenient to work on, you can use it as per your liking. After you've chosen your selected device, all you need to do is click on View, watch the video, and collect your earnings. You can withdraw your earnings through payment gateways such as PayPal, bank transfer, etc. After countless hours of research, we learned how to earn money by watching YouTube videos. The best part is that you can do this from anywhere worldwide. There are no restrictions on any country, and these videos can be watched easily. However, you will have to choose different payment gateways to withdraw money because PayPal isn't available in several countries. As we mentioned, you can choose any payment gateway you like because this method doesn't just cater to PayPal. Platforms. We're going to make use of 3 different platforms to make money by watching YouTube videos. You don't need to worry about these platforms, they're free. And they won't be charging you anything to watch videos. As long as you stick to the end of this video, we'll be giving you our personal opinion on which platform will pay you the highest. We haven't discussed any of these platforms in our previous videos, so you'll love them. Since this is something new, you can also share it with your friends so they can earn money from watching YouTube videos. Zareklami. The first website which we have out of the 3 is called zareklami.com. You can search for this website on your web browser or go to the Google Play Store, search for this app and install it on your smartphone. One thing about this website is that you can get paid for many other things apart from YouTube. But since we're focusing on YouTube right now, that's what we're going to work on right now. After downloading the app or accessing the website, you'll click on the registration button in the top right corner. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create a free account by signing up with your Google, Microsoft, or any other email address. You will then need to create a password through which you will be able to access your account on this website. Zareklami is accessible worldwide, so they'll pay you no matter what. Whatever area of the world you're in, you'll get paid, so don't worry. This isn't a scam. Once you've made an account, you will come to a dashboard where you can track your earnings and your current balance. All the trackers will be available to see how much money you've made today, yesterday, last week, and the previous month. On the left navigation pane on the dashboard, you will see several options from where you will click on Earn. Here you will select how you want to get paid, and you will get to do so by browsing websites and watching videos and ads. All it will require from your end is a few clicks, and you'll be good to go. You don't need to complete surveys or offers on this website. When you go on the social media websites for earning tab, the first website you will see at the top of the page will be YouTube. You can click on the button which says YouTube Views, which will take you to the page where you can watch several videos. As for the videos, you can watch anything you find entertaining. There's no limitation that you'll need to watch a specific video to earn money. A button will be given there, which you will click on, redirecting you to a video you'll have to view to earn money. Now you don't need to watch the entire video from start to finish. You can play the video and do whatever you would like to while the video runs from start to finish. This kind of income is termed passive income, where you aren't doing anything to earn money. Instead, you play the video and keep doing whatever you were doing. Once you're done, you will be able to collect your earnings. Although you won't start earning immediately right from the start, When it all adds up, then it will be a pretty good amount. It's super easy to do, and the more videos you watch, the more money you'll be able to make. Another factor that either adds or reduces your earnings is which country you're earning money from. You'll be earning in US dollars, so if you're doing this from England, you'll make less since its currency is valued higher than the US dollar. But there is no need to worry about this, as this is a minor inconvenience. Suppose you're consistent and watching videos regularly. In that case, you don't need to worry about something like this, since the money that will add up in bits will eventually result in a considerable amount in your hands. To summarize this website's purpose, you can do several things. You can watch YouTube videos, which will be our recommendation. But if you feel like earning more, you can also run advertisements on websites such as Instagram or Facebook. Speaking strictly in terms of YouTube, you can also make money with YouTube subscribers and likes. It is free, simple, and easy to do, from which you can make a good amount of money. So why let this fantastic chance go? The edge of this app is that not many people know about this, so you can earn a lot of money before others start jumping on this bandwagon. By the time people sign up to the website, you will already be making hundreds of dollars since you're well versed in it. TimeBucks. The second website which we have for you is timebucks.com. This application will pay you to post stuff on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, and install apps. They also have another option where you'll get paid to watch videos. The reason you should opt for TimeBucks is that they have daily bonuses. Every time you log into your account from the website, they will offer you incredible bonuses which you can avail of free of cost. You don't have to wait around after signing up, so one thing's for sure is that you can start earning instantly. You can now sign up on TimeBucks and spend your money on whatever you want. It's that easy. You don't need to make an entirely separate account with TimeBucks. You can easily log in to their website using Facebook, which will be much more convenient because everyone has a Facebook account these days. With one click of a button, you can easily log in using Facebook. After logging on, your dashboard will show you the number of tasks you've completed. It'll be empty when you join the website, but after finishing your tasks, your completed tasks will start appearing on the dashboard, and you will also get to see the money you'll start earning. Working on this website is easy because you can do different tasks beside watching YouTube videos. With this, you'll be able to earn more money, but our focus will solely be on making money through YouTube videos. There is an excellent reason people from all over the world are using this website. All you have to do is go to the Earn section and you can complete different surveys and tasks. You will also get paid for watching videos under the Offer Walls and Tasks section. This is your sign to sign up to TimeBucks and earn money without investing anything but your time. QuickRewards.net. The third and final website which we have for you is called QuickRewards.net. This website will also pay you for several different things. This isn't as good as the other two websites we mentioned, but it still has a pretty good payout. There are several surveys which you can complete, but this is something we won't recommend you to do. It's better to stick to watching YouTube videos on this website and earn money. We're not recommending surveys because it requires a lot of time and effort, and it just won't be worth it. However, you can play games on this website because that's fun to do, but you will also get paid for playing games on this website. Pretty neat. You can open this website, log into your account, and start playing games if you want to unwind. The payout for playing games might not be much, but playing games on your phone is something you'll enjoy. Our main reason for recommending this website is that the minimum withdrawal limit is 1 penny. You don't need to wait until you have hundreds or thousands of dollars in your account to withdraw cash. As soon as you start making money, you can cash out and remove that money whenever you like. You can withdraw your money from PayPal, and Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers. The gift card method can be used by those users who do not have PayPal in their country. And for that matter, several countries in the world do not yet have the service of PayPal. Now that you know the entire procedure, it's time to start earning money on QuickRewards.net, where you need to head to their homepage and click on Create an Account, after which you will sign up for their website free. Then you can start watching those videos and begin making money. As mentioned earlier, you can keep collecting your earnings because you will use the same method repeatedly to withdraw them. These three websites, Zareklami.com, TimeBucks.com, and QuickRewards.net, will change the game for you if you want to watch videos and earn money. Time to stop wasting your time and earn money by the minute. This is the easiest money you will ever make in your life. If this video was helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.